Welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's guide, I'll show you how to easily download a voice clip from Messenger using an easy method. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and type Chrome Web Store in the search bar. Then hit enter. Click on the first result to open the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar there, type Audio Downloader. Select this extension from the list. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. This will quickly install the extension into your browser. Now, go to Facebook, open the Messenger, and play the voice clip you wish to download. Once the audio is playing, click the extension button at the top right corner of Chrome. You'll see the voice clip listed there. Simply click Download arrow, and just like that, you've got it saved and ready to play anytime. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more tech guides and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.